Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Nokia 2720 Flip, for the first you have to open your calendar. So let's go for the menu, and right now just find calendar, and it's right here. Select, click add. Right now we have to add the title, so in my case I will type here hard reset. And we can set up here also other things like the location, there's the start date, end date. We can add also the reminder, notes. So if you set up everything, you have to click here on the save. And as you can see, right here we got our event, so we can select and we can edit or just delete. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.